Well, it is all over at Moses Mabhida Stadium. Whenever I speak about Moses Mabhida Stadium, I think about the game that is coming on Saturday. I think about the fact that the tickets are sold out. I think about the fact that people from Durban are angry that they're saying that they didn't get the tickets. Even today, the tickets are not available, and others who managed to get the tickets online is said pending until it said sold out, and then you get the refund. So there are so many things that comes to my mind when I speak about Moses Mabhida Stadium, but that is not what we are here for. We are here for ezikamagebhula ezimnyama ngenkani ezimhlophe ngenhliziyo zibhekene laphayana nabafana besithende ezika-Coach Manqoba Mnqithi. You remember Coach Manqoba usanda khomba indlela uNox Motizwa aphinde wakhomba indlela uZuke. Kusho umphela mina ngathi iclub ebakhiphile wathi umphela hayi uManqoba kanjani, but that is not the discussion of the day. The discussion of the day is Yadle Mnyama 2-1. That was the final score at Mabhida Stadium. Tito is back. Ambulance yaseThembisa came back with the goal. Eqala ukuba kwi-starting line-up for a long time. Kim Vwidi, a man of the match in this beautiful game. Who would have thought that he will be a man of the match? What a beautiful goal from Umabasa. The second goal here, Orlando Pirates. But first, I'm getting very, very excited right now, but let me do this. This is my views, my expressions. Please do subscribe, share, we are here and sikuphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. Lami kama Siboniso Sizo wakomnikazi Sibongo enangami ngedwa ngingayenza show yami. Phethe coach Mphela.
Konothe yadli plamba plamba.
Good morning on YouTube. Yadli plamba. Well, beautiful game as far as Amabhakabhaka are concerned. Maybe the tackle race is not over yet. Maybe the tackle race is back. Because I ask Amabhakabhaka, but the problem is uma esho kanje kuba no if abaningi abalandela.
But ngathi bafana yakudala ndoda. Jalo ske bakakoleta if
kusasa cheaper and
they can get a result, and then if we win they have to score 3 goals, and then they don't have to concede, then we concede 1 goal and then it's all over. I don't know, it's all over vele. No, the league is gone, but I'm happy that Pirate is busy trying to put the pressure, gaining the momentum, especially towards, because even if Minaga was at the stadium, you could see that game is just a build-up for Ilokuzane. The way the fans, the way behaving, the atmosphere. You could see that people they don't want to see this game, but they just coming here because they some of them they won't be able to come on Saturday because of this thing of Yama ticket. Because this thing Yama ticket in Dota, it has been a very big crisis. Okay, we got the tickets, but we didn't get the tickets on where we should be getting the tickets. So this thing of tickets is on icon. Many drama, so people were staying from 6 o'clock to 2 o'clock till 4 o'clock, no tickets. You buy the tickets online, you get the reference. After that, after 2 hours, then you get a refund. Some of us, okay, there's a long queue. You are number 17,000. Yes. And then you are number 2,500, you're still waiting. Number 900, you're still waiting. The moment you see now you are already number 13,000 again. You go to the CompuTicket, you see the number 1 is staying there for 2 hours, and then they said no, he got the tickets, maybe buy 2 tickets. After that, you won't see anyone. Getting number 2 won't be able to get a ticket. You at the station and then only 4 people or only 4 tickets that are getting released. Then the system, they say no, the system is jammed. The tickets are available, but hey, Baba, this thing I'm a ticket, EPSL or whosoever, this CompuTicket and stuff. Yeah, they need to do something about these tickets. Joburg people, for it. That's this thing. Joburg people, we're following Joburg people, Joburg people, they're finding their tickets. They're able to get online. They're able to secure the tickets. Yes, they're able to buy 4, but they're securing the tickets. You are in KZN, you don't finding the tickets. You are Eastern Cape, you don't find the tickets.
Well, maybe that brings to a different discussion where someone said they believe that this is a business strategy, maybe from tourism cases, and because they know if goes abanda basuke Goli, those people are bringing a business to KZN because they will be booking a KZN, a hotel, and. So if when it's very, very hard for you to find a ticket, for us, we're in Durban Central. La go Smith Street, go West Street, we're unable to get a ticket, but someone who is in Johannesburg is able to get a ticket. So such a discussion they arises, and then Kubengas will say, so but let us go to today's game. Today's game was very interesting. As you are saying, it was a build-up, like maybe in inverted commas. But for Coach Riviero, it was an opportunity, or maybe as a training, to see other players and then see who are the people that he can use. So Tito Masonganye has been revived. Ukamvudi is a man of the match. Mabasa scored such a beautiful game, even though he didn't start on the derby over the weekend. So now they are raising their hand. They are saying, Coach, we are here and we can do something on the final on Saturday. So, Wena, how did you make of the game, the first half and the second half?
Game of 2 halves. First half, Arrows was all over Orlando Pirates. Maybe Orlando Pirates had 3 or 4 box entries, but it was just one-way traffic. A few set pieces from both sides. Arrows was getting more opportunities, especially on the side Gamadiba, because it was his first game of Orlando Pirates. So Arrows, they just used a 2-3-5, and then they just suffocated the whole team in their own half. Pirate couldn't combine. Pirate, they lost identity, their style of play, because there's no one that was holding the ball, especially on the wingers. There was no Mfukeng that was holding the ball. The right winger, it was ineffective. I saw him getting lost in the field of play. Ushandu getting lost in the field of play, not knowing if he's playing on the left wing forward or he's playing on the right wing forward. You see Okimvuti playing this side, and then we're losing a lot of balls first half, and not combining. Whenever he was taking the ball, he was driving to the midfield and then going to the traffic. Lapo Arrows yona just iloki midfield, idlala nga-3 in the midfield versus a 2 of Pirate, because Pirate was playing 4-2-3-1, so it was a 3v2. Arrows was using Amalokozan, wings to attack, taking the balls towards half spaces, and then they were trying to score. The only weakness that they were not doing, they were always making box entries, and then when they reach the box, they were trying to, they were not shooting. They wanted to do square passes, whereas a Pirate, it has been seen. I don't know. I know Mangoba is very good at analysis, but I don't know why he didn't analyze a Pirate. That Pirate is very weak when you go to come with the crosses or aerial balls. So he didn't use that. So he just wanted to pass the ball, pass, even, or the extra pass was even more. And they're not able to get shots on Lokozan on target. And then whenever they got set pieces, Arrows, and then Lokozan was able to take them. Teles is very navy. Not that comfortable, especially in the first half. Pirate was not there in the first half. Second half, Pirate was there in the game. Mentally, it was different, and the approach was different. They just wanted to go and score. They wanted the game. The changes that they made, Makaula, tactical foul, he just got a yellow card very, very early. First half, Pirate lost the midfield battle. They were not on the ball. They couldn't combine. They couldn't pass each other. Second half, Arrows yona. they were on the back foot because Arrows they reverted to E4-3-3. I don't know why they changed E2-3-5 that they were using when they were attacking. Now Maswangai, they started to see them, and then Pirate just wanted to use the space behind the defense because Pirate basically Kim Voot was just taking the ball and then seeing Ungulo. They wanted to Unkota. Maswangai is getting the ball, just one pass. They wanted to Unkota. So Unkota changed the game too much. Even Abu Mabas, those set pieces, they get those goals. But truth to be told, Arrows, they got so many opportunities, so many opportunities, decision making in the final third. Second half, I mean, I did say in the first half, Arrows would be crying for these opportunities they are losing and they are wasting because they were just hoofing the ball all over the top. The keeper maybe two or three saves, but not effective. But second half, I could see that okay, the coaching has taken place because now whenever they make a box interest, they wanted to cross. It's just that they were not crossing in front of. There is no smart. Now you see the need of Nox Mutiso now because Nox Mutiso was able to bypass to go in between the defenders and receive in behind the defenders so that he can score. So today there was no point of reference. All of them, they were just making a straight line, bubble 3, and then they have to pass the ball here. Maybe there are 2 that are adding the numbers late, but they were ineffective. Okay, they did get opportunities. It's just that even though Mbogazi and Okloge, they played very well because they cleaned the special Mbogazi, very comfortable, technically gifted. He doesn't panic. He wait. He make the pass, accurate passes all the time. And then I've seen this new guy, the one that I think Malep or something, the one that got into the place of Makaul. That guy knows football. That guy knows football. And then, okay, Parrot, you usually say Parrot doesn't have a depth. Yes, I'm still saying even today, Parrot doesn't have a depth. But today you can see that what's important is that they've grinded the result to keep the pressure on the Sundowns. But you can see that all the efforts and the thinking behind it was just racing all the key players and the players that have not been getting about 19 minutes. All Dlamini, we saw them getting more minutes today. Or Van Rowen, we saw them getting minutes because we need them fit. Marco, now they were also given some minutes so that they can help the team. Mfukengi, they were not Onkota, they were given some minutes. Maswangai came back and showed good okay because I've been crying about Maswangai for the last 2-3 matches, saying why the coach is giving Maswangai a chance. And then now Maswangai today
answering you.
Yes. That's what we want. So when we're criticizing, we don't criticize because we hate the player. We criticize because we know that the player can do much better than what is he doing. Yeah. And then that was just a build up towards the game for Saturday. So Pirate is putting a pressure, and then about that coach. Hey, I'm still worried now.
Very coach now.
Yeah, the coach that is firing the players. Hey. Still worried because now I thought that the coach would be getting a draw or the coach will avoid it.
You said, not you just thought. You said they're going to win or get a draw. I saw that.
I said I said Arrows win or draw. But it seems like that things are going to the south for the coach that is firing the players. So now I could see today with okay, there is no point of reference. They have a problem. Yeah. So even their substitutions, they were not that much effective, especially in the final third. It's only the left winger when they taken out to Umatlaba, the left wing, that was good, making too much, many box entries, but taking shots, the actual shots to the goal, they were not there. So that's it for this game.
Maybe in defense of Coach Manqoba Mngqithi, the team played, as you are saying that in the first half, but they got chances. It's the players that didn't get the chances. It could have been a win, maybe not an easy win, but it could have been a win or a draw.
Yeah, they should have won, especially when Pirate they were not linking up. When Pirate was having irregular players. They should have taken the advantage of that because Bona, they playing week in, week out.
Yeah.
So now, it also worries me going forward for the coach, Uti. Not. We have not won in the last 4 or 5 games. And then now you're getting a very weak that doesn't have a telepath, a parrot that doesn't have a telepath. And then you're failing to win. And then I'm like, who are you going to beat now towards the end of the season? Or are you just going to stay there at number 14, number 15? Hey, come on, somebody.
Well, we don't know, but what we know is that Mapagapaka managed to grab all 3 points, and it just revived a little bit of a spirit for our fans at Pagapa Oguti. If kwenzeka lokhu, they can still snatch the league, but we can have the whole day discussion about that. I know how you feel about it. We're gonna see you guys tomorrow when we talk about Mamelodi Sundowns and Chippa United, and then after that, Derby at Moses Mabhida Stadium.
Do you have tickets?
Still pending.
When I have tickets, I got them from Joburg.
Oh, nice one. Please do subscribe, share, we are here. Even if you are in Joburg, buy tickets and then stadium, please don't go to the stadium outside and hope to buy tickets. Noma uthole into ezokunika inkinga ithikithi lika 500 libe 150, but we'll talk about that when we do a preview. We are out of here.